have anyone to speak with. How do I practice and improve my spoken English? If this is your concern, then stay with me till the end of this video, because I will be sharing with you 4 techniques that I've used with my students to improve their communication skills. Hi, this is Shweta, your confidence coach, and you're watching SavvyShweta. Before we move ahead, please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, as this will motivate me to bring out the best content and videos for you in future. You've understood basics of English language. Now what next? How to speak fluently, how to express yourself. For that, you need to push yourself to watch only English videos, channels, shows or movies. The more you push yourself to come out of that comfort zone of your local language, the more likely you are to become better in your communication. You need to understand that our brain needs to process in that language before it helps us to communicate in it. Another thing is there's a big gap between what you want to say and what you say. There are a lot of things that are there in our mind, but we are not able to process and not able to communicate that in that language. Now here are the 4 techniques that will help you bridge the gap between what you want to say and what you actually say, and also help you enhance your confidence level. Now, first technique is pause to speak. In this, you have to watch a video that is in English for 20 to 30 seconds and then pause it. You can take a very simple video to start with. You can also take my video, because I try to keep my language as simple as possible for you. And then once you pause this video, you have to recollect all the things that you have heard from this and then try and speak them in your own words. Now there are 2-3 things that will happen. First of all, initially you'll not be able to understand or grasp things so quickly. So don't worry. Keep your pace slow. Watch the videos which are simple. And even if you need to re-watch the video, do it, because it's very important for you to absorb things, and then only you'll be able to speak. The second technique is record yourself. Take a topic, a very simple one to start with, and speak about 5 to 6 sentences about it. This technique will not only help you build up your confidence level, but will also help you build your thought structure. Your thought structure is your ability to put your thoughts into words. Gradually, your pauses will reduce and you'll be able to gather your thoughts faster. Having the ability to speak without pauses will eventually help you align your thoughts with what you are saying. That is expressing yourself in the same way you do in your local language, without compromising on your fluency or vocabulary. I've also tried this with my students and I've got remarkable results. So please try this and see how much difference it can create. This is a technique in which you have to stand in front of a mirror and assume yourself in certain situation and speak on any topic for some time. This will help you in judging your body language, your facial expressions and your posture while you are speaking. I used to follow this technique when I was trying to gain confidence while speaking, and it helped me in improving my overall communication skills. Now, fourth technique is watch movies with subtitles. As you read the subtitles, you'll gain better understanding of the language. Remember, the more content you're going to watch in English, the better you're going to get at speaking. 2 affirmations that you can say on a daily basis to improve your confidence level. Number 1, I speak very confidently and fluently in English, and I enjoy learning English. Communication works for those who work at it. With that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you will remain focused and consistent with these techniques and make them into your practices. If you have any additional challenges or problems that you're facing while speaking in English, then please mention in the comment section and I will try to address them in my future videos. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. See you.